yell at me, hon.
I'm going to let go. And then you're going to have to deal with it yourself.
Don't leave me by myself on a deserted island. Oh.
Wrong side to get out on.
Yes, dear. Wake me up when you get there, okay?
Yeah, all right, John.
And we're doing 5-6 knots. And it's just a beautiful day. I mean, yeah, this is like a beer commercial, isn't it?
Or the lotto commercial.
A beer commercial for older people, though.
Okay.
This is actually a beautiful sail, guys. It is nice. Sun's out. We got about just under a 3-foot wave here, and it's great. I mean, a 2-foot would be better. This is what a 3-foot looks like. Actually, this is under 3 feet. Oh yeah, I love this stuff. The power of the ocean. Imagine if you could harness that power. Oof. Okay, I'm gonna dive on some wrecks. There's a couple of blowholes. Oh, the water's really nice. This is like a bubbly bath. Hear the thunder there, eh, guys? I love that sound. We've never been here before. Sandy's gonna go check out the boat. Oh, you gotta get in that water, Sandy. Face me, hon. What a beautiful thing. Whoa, it's really going. Listen, I could sit here and listen to this thing all day. That's a nice sound. Hey, one thing that's true about our videos is the arguing. Sandy and I argue a lot. I mean, like, if I say it's day, she says it's nighttime. And it really is daytime, though.
It's because he doesn't listen.